Hi everyone, welcome to this European Research Night. My name is Nazih Mechbal. I'm the coordinator of the Morpho project, and I am with my colleague.
Hello everyone.
Asmaa.
I'm the project manager of the Morpho project, and I'm going to present you a little bit about our team. So as you can see here on the screen, this is us in the real life. So we are the team managing and coordinating the Morpho project.
We are from Métiers Institute of Technology that is located in Paris. And here you have some key numbers of this old engineering school. Yes, it was founded by La Rochefoucauld more than 100 years ago.
So it's a very old engineering school which has 11 locations in all over France. We have 15 laboratories which are mainly centered in the manufacture of manufacturing field. So as you can see, we are specialized in mobility, energy, health tech, construction, and manufacturing. And as you can see now, you can see more or less all the research field that we do at ENSAM, so I won't say it all, but I will let now Nazih Mechbal, who is the coordinator of the project and the director of the PIM laboratory, present a bit what we do in this laboratory.
Okay. It's Process and Engineering in Mechanics and Material Laboratory. We have 4 groups that work on different domain of the materials and of structures. And for example, durability of structures, performances of structures, processing, and smart structures, and a lot of simulations, modeling and simulations of the structures. So the laboratory, we have 4 groups in this laboratory that work on several domains around the structures and the materials. It goes from the chemical part of the polymer until the smart structures from the systems. So we design, we work on durability of structures, we assess their health, and work on their manufacturing, their processing. So thank you very much.
Yes, so thank you very much, and I hope that this introduction made you want to check about the Morpho project in our different social media and on our website, and have a nice European Research Night. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.